Hello everyone, my name is Pratik Kulkarni from 6M B Division. My topic is on pressure filter and its construction details. Before going to the pressure filter, the water from the clarification process is allotted for the pressure filter. Filtration process is mainly done to remove the suspended impurity particles from the water which are not removed by any other segmentation or any other processes. A pressure filter is a small rapid gravity sand filter which is placed under the closed cylindrical vessel through which the water is flowed under the pressure which is greater than the atmospheric pressure. The pressure filter mainly consists of two layers. First layer is a sand and second layer is a gravel. The water is passed through the sand and the gravel, and the particles and the suspended particles present in the raw water is removed from the two layers and get collected into the storage tank. The vessels may be installed either in horizontal portion or in the vertical portion, depends upon their requirements and availability. The cylinder is usually made up of the steel material to withstand the high pressure of the water. They are maybe riveted or they are welded to join the two parts of the cylinder. Generally, the diameter of the pressure filter is about 1.5 to 3 meter, and the height or depth of the cylindrical pressure filter is about 3.5 to 8 meter, and the manual is provided at the top for the inspection purpose. After studying the constructional process of pressure filter, now we study about the working process of the pressure filter. The raw water from the clarifier is passed to the inlet wall of the pressure filter, and all other valves are closed. The water is allowed to flow with the pressure from the sand layer and the gravel layer, and the impurities which are present in the water are get removed in the small impurities are get removed by the sand, and the large or organic matters are get collected in the gravel layer, and it is the water which is cleaned is thrown to the drain and it is kept for the storage tank. The impurities which are present in the sand layer and the gravel layer are cleaned by the wash wall. The wash wall mainly opens during the washing or removing of the particles from the layers. Cleaning of the filter is done as same as the gravity filter, where the backwash wall is opened and the pressure is made such that the particles which is present in the air are get out by the pressure through the back wall. The cleaning of the filter is carried out by the backwashing, as is done as a normal gravity filter. During cleaning, the inlet wall and the outlet wall is get closed and the only wash water wall is open. The pressure filter can yield a filtered water about 2 to 3 times more than the rapid sand filter, and the rate of the filtration is about 6,000 to 15,000 liters per hour per meter square of the filtered water. Now we study some important advantages of pressure filter. It is compact and automatic operation. Compact, it required very small area for the installation, and the automatic operation means it start automatically when the water is get entered. These facilities require small area for the installation. As we said, it is compact. It required very small area for the installation. These filters are very flexible because the rate of filtration can changed by the change of compressed air pressure over the water. The filtration is very flexible because it is only of two layers. The rate of filtration is very high because the water is entered with some certain pressure, so that the water discharge easily. Small number of fitted are required for these filters. As you know, it is very small. It is very small cylindrical. It requires very small number of fitted. No sedimentation and coagulation tags are required with these units. Other processes such as rapid sand filter and slow sand filter require some sedimentation coagulation for the removal of certain suspended or solid particles, and the coagulation is required for removing of the organic and some small amount of the odor. This filter does not require any sedimentation or coagulation units. Now we study some disadvantages of the pressure filter. Due to the heavy cost on the treatment, they cannot be used for treatment large quantity of the water. As you know, it is a very small cylindrical. It does not discharge a large amount of the water for the society. So the treatment cost is also high and the installation is also high. A proper quality control and inspection is not possible because of the closed tank. We can't see inside because it is a very small, and the inspection will get impossible because of the very small manhole. We can remove only certain large particles, otherwise we should replace, or it will increase the cost. The efficiency of removal of the bacteria and turbidity is poor. The efficiency of removal of the bacteria is because the pressure makes the water to percolate through the layers, and the turbidity is poor because of the it does not have any coagulation or sedimentation process to remove such products. They require additional pumps to pump the water in them. Because of the water is entered with some certain pressure, the pumps and other equipments are required for the to pump the water in the inlet. So it requires much pumps, and it will cost more.